Pakistan is not playing at the FIFA World Cup, yet FIFA is trusting Pakistan with the most important thing. All thanks to this man.
Meet Khwaja Masood Akhtar, the founder and owner of Forward Sports. Forward Sports is responsible for producing the official football of the FIFA World Cup, Al-Rihla.
Al-Rihla is the Arabic word meaning the journey.
It is inspired by the culture, architecture, iconic boats and flag of Qatar.
3,000 footballs will be used at the FIFA World Cup and 8 million replicas are expected to be sold all around the globe.
Masood Akhtar, a civil engineer, started Forward Sports in 1991 and won over the trust of Adidas in 1994. Since then, there is no looking back.
Let me tell you that this is not the first time that FIFA is trusting Pakistan and Forward Sports with such an important task.
In 2014, Pakistan produced FIFA's official football, Brazuca. In 2018, Pakistan again produced FIFA's official football, Telstar.
This just tells you the amazing job Forward Sports is doing.
They have also produced official footballs for UEFA Champions Trophy held in Spain in 2009 and the London Olympics in 2012. Forward Sports is located in the city of Sialkot and have been crowned the largest manufacturer of hand-stitched footballs in the world.
For the FIFA World Cup starting on 20th November, the Made in Pakistan football will travel faster than flight and will be one of the fastest footballs in the tournament's history.
This will be the fastest and most accurate FIFA World Cup ball to date, all thanks to Pakistan. The manufacturing process at Forward Sports is world-class. They have a dedicated team of men and women who truly believe in giving their best to Pakistan.
So Khwaja Masood Akhtar's passion for football production 3 decades ago
has brought Pakistan on the world's biggest stage.
Thank you, FIFA and Adidas, for trusting Pakistan with such a huge responsibility.
While everyone is cheering for their favorite team,
Pakistan will be the reason for them to be crowned as the champion.